Let me show you how you can check plagiarism on your mobile phone. Simply go to the Google. After going to the Google, search Turnitin login, and go to the Turnitin website. Here add your email and password already associated with Turnitin. And I logged into my Turnitin account, and this is the class named as Learning Hub May 2024. I created this class in May 2024, and let me go into the class. I just click on the class, and after that you can see here the layout of the class. There are several slots till 12. I can use any one of these slots. Let me go to the slot 1. Here on the right side there is option of open. Let me open this one, and I opened the slot number 1. Here the option of upload submission. Yes, and the option of I agree or disagree. I have to click on the I agree to the terms and condition of Turnitin. Now here you can see that there is an option of submit file, and let me submit any file here. Click on the choose file option. I choose this file. I can also edit the submission title of that file, like let me change learning hub or learning point, anything. I can also change the file title here, and after that upload and review, and Turnitin is reviewing my submission. After reviewing on Turnitin database, it will completed the file, and I can see the plagiarism percentage simply and just uploading. Okay, now submission have been completed. Let me show you. Here you can see that in this slot 1 paper have been submitted as the title learning and uploaded on May 4 today, and I can see the similarity of that file. In that way you can check the plagiarism of any file in your mobile phone.